Hello everyone, welcome to my studio. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a portrait in pencil. Generally speaking, we have three poses. First one is a front view. For example, the front view is looking to the front. So the eye, left and right, is the same distance, nose and mouth. So this is called front view. The people is looking to the front. Another one is side view. Generally speaking, we are not drawing the side view for the portrait. Most common used pose is the three-quarter view. Three-quarter view is half turning of the head, just like this portrait. It is half turning. So the middle line of the face is over here. It's not right in the middle. It's over here. So this one is the quarter. This one is a half. So generally, the face is the three-quarter. So here's a quarter, here's a half of the face. So the eye is around here. This is the most common pose for the portrait. So today, I'm going to show you the three-quarter view of the portrait drawing. Okay, let's get started. For the first step, is not drawing the eyes, nose, mouth, or details or hairs. We're going to figure out the basic shape of the hairs and the basic shape of the face and the neck and the shoulder. This is very first step. We need to figure out the shape of the hair, the shape of the face, the shape of the neck, and shape of the shoulder. That's all. This is very first step that we're doing. The second step is going to figure out the basic proportion of the eyes, nose, mouth, of these features. Here we have three equal portions. Three equal portions, the end of the hair, from end of the hair to the bottom of the chin, there are the three equal portions. Let's divide three equal portions. Let's see. Take a look. We are using the pencil to mirror each unit. Make sure it is the same. This is the end of the hair, and this is the bottom of the chin. From here to here, we divide the whole shape into three equal portions. Here, here, here is the same. The first portion of here is called eyebrow. And the second portion over here, it is the end of the nose. So the eye, it is around here. Generally speaking, the eye is located in the middle of the head. Let's see, from the bottom of the chin to the top of the head, here is the thickness of the hairs, and generally the skull is around here. So this is the eye line. This is nose line. So let's figure out mouth line. From the nose to the bottom of the chin, let's divide another equal portions. Okay, from here to here and here to here, this one is a middle line between the nose line and the bottom of the chin. But this line is not the middle of the mouth. It is the bottom of the mouth. Bottom of the mouth. The middle of the mouth is above the bottom of the mouth, right? It is around here. The top lips is around here. The final one is the middle line of the face. Because it's a three-quarter view, so middle line is around here. It's a little bit curved. This is a quarter, this is a half. Okay, so we finished the division of the face and make the proportion to be all right. Then we can start to draw the details. The detail at the beginning, don't shade. We are starting to draw the shape of each part. Okay, the first part, let's figure out the shape of the eyebrow. Take a look at this shape. Let's see. Don't shade. We just need to figure out this shape only. And this one is around here with the angle. This is the middle line of the eye. So the top is around here. When we finish the nose, some common mistake is we are drawing two lines. Actually, we are just drawing one line from a darker side, drawing the broken lines for the nose part and going down. The major shape is the head shape. We just need to figure out the bottom of the nose head. Mouth part, the middle line of the mouth first. See here, this side is short, and this side is longer because it's a three-quarter view. Then we are drawing the top of the mouth. And bottom of the mouth. The basic shape of this figure is finished. For the shading process, the best way to start to establish the basic tone. Most likely, we are starting from the hair. We don't have to worry about the single hairs, but we need to be careful about the direction of the hairs. It's going down. It looks like a waterfall. It's going down. So never going like this. This is just the first layer. We can come back to refine some details for the hairs. Right now, our goal is just to make here darker. Here, the same thing. So when we finish this, we can see our tone is pretty harsh. See here a lot of strokes. So we are using this tissue to fold with the corner over here. Then we can start to be blending for a little bit. Then everything becoming pretty soft and evenly. This is called blending. We're going to start to refine the eyebrow, eyes, nose, and mouth. For the eyebrow, very easy. Just to make darkly. Pupil is around here. And leave some highlights. And then we're shading. See here the eye? We need to make the top eyelid pretty darkly because there is a cast shadow strike on the eyelid over here. So the top one is pretty dark. Bottom one is facing to the light, so never make it too darkly. This side is in a shadow. The bottom of the nose is always in the shadow. Left side most likely is in the shadow, but here is in the light. The bottom of the lips is in the shadow for sure. Here is pretty dark. Okay, for this reference line, we don't need to keep it. Let's work on the lips. Upper lip is in the shadow, so let's make it darkly. Let's keep adding the light and dark to make everything to be closer enough. The value on the face is very subtle. It's not a big difference, but we need to figure out. If you accidentally make some area too dark, no problem. We can use the kneaded eraser to make adjustment. Kneaded eraser, we can change the shape. It's not a regular eraser. This eraser is just correcting the line or something. When our line is made mistake, we can use this eraser to erase. But this one, the function is totally different. It's not only for erasing the mistake. It's just adjust the values to be lighter. I'm refining all the details back and forth to make sure the likeness is gained and light and dark. A 3D looking is gained. Okay, we are coming to the end of the portrait drawing for today. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.